The UAE, in a press briefing on Monday, released a revised list of fines for those who violate COVID-19 rules and restrictions. $50,000 fines for those who don't abide by closure of schools, gyms, cinema, parks, cafes, restaurants, pools. $50,000 fine also applies to those not abiding by opening and closing times of restaurants, parks, malls etc. $10,000 fines for individuals who have or had COVID-19 and refuse to download app used for COVID-19 tracing. $20,000 fines for individuals who have or had COVID-19 and try to tamper with tracking device or app installed by authorities. $20,000 not placing thermal cameras where required, having a party or gathering. $10,000 for host, $5,000 for each attendee in cars, more than 3 people traveling, no masks, $3,000 not wearing masks at work, offices, $5,000 for company, $500 for employee, $3,000 company failing to maintain 30% limit on workforce at office, not maintain social distancing at work or other places such as shops or restaurants, $3,000 per person involved, and $5,000 for institutions, $5,000 shops that operate beyond permitted times, $5,000 refusing to do a COVID-19 test, $1,000 refusing to redo a COVID-19 test after 2 weeks, $3,000 violating restrictions during sterilization period, private tutors violating current rules, $30,000 and $20,000 for whoever hosts the tutor moving workers between Emirates, $10,000 fines for company and the vehicle will be confiscated. Legal consultant Salem Al-Zarbi, acting chairman of the Public Prosecution for Emergency, Crisis and Disaster, added on Monday that those who fail to comply with home and health quarantine will be fined $50,000. Authorities in the UAE announced on Monday that from Ramadan 27, sterilization would start at 8 p.m., ending at 6 a.m. There will also be changes in mall and shop timings accordingly. The offender will be referred to the public prosecution in case of repeated violations and/or non-compliance with the quarantine instructions for the second time. He or she will be submitted to criminal trial, and is punishable by imprisonment for a period not exceeding 6 months, and a fine of not less than $100,000, or one of these two penalties.